Welcome back to the Walnut. This is another video on deduction type of questions. We have premises. Premises means statements. So we have two statements here. Some viruses are deadly. No human is deadly. So these are standard statements, some and no statements. So we'll directly get into the basic diagram. So some virus, what would be the diagram for some? We'll have two circles like this, right? Some virus are deadly. So this is virus diagram, this is deadly diagram. So some virus are deadly. No human is deadly. So no human is deadly. There's no intersection between human and deadly. So this is deadly. And if you draw human right here, there is no intersection between human and deadly. So this is what the basic diagram we have. Now look at the conclusions. Some virus being human is a possibility. Well, it's a possibility type of question. It's slightly different from what we have done so far. Well, in this case, what we are looking at, some virus being human, is it a possibility? Is it possible? Well, think about it. Many of you are not really married at this point of time. But the question is it possible for you to get married? Yes, it is possible for you to get married, but are you married at this point of time? Probably you may not be married, correct? So same situation right here. Some virus being human. Well, some virus may not be human at this point of time in the basic diagram, but is it possible? That is what the question is. So look at it. Some virus being human is a possibility. Some virus being human. Virus are not human in the basic diagram, but the question is it possible for the virus to intersect with a human? That's a question. The statement doesn't say that no virus is human or no human is virus. That means virus can intersect with human. So some virus being human is a possibility. Some virus being human, it's a possibility. So conclusion number one, some virus being human, it is a possibility. So this follows, right? Second one, some deadly being human is a possibility. Some deadly being human is a possibility. Look at deadly, look at human. Some deadly being human. Is it possible for deadly to intersect with a human? Well, according to the statement, no human is deadly. Human cannot intersect with a deadly. That means some deadly being human, some deadly being human. The intersection between deadly and human, it's not possible. So some deadly being human is a possibility, is not correct. It is invalid, so it doesn't follow. Third one, some human being deadly is not a possibility. Some human being deadly is not a possibility. Well, look at it. Some human being deadly, it is not a possibility. That is correct, because human cannot intersect with a deadly. So some human being deadly is not a possibility. Since it is not a possibility, that is valid. So that one follows. So ultimately, possibility questions are straightforward questions. If it is possible, yes, it follows. If it is not a possibility, it doesn't follow. And we may take another example right here. Let's say some virus being human is not a possibility. Is not a possibility. Well, actually, you know what? Some virus being human, it's a possibility. There is no restriction for intersecting between virus and human. But there is a restriction for deadly and human. virus can intersect with a human. So in this case, some virus being human is not a possibility. Well, some virus being human is a possibility. That means not a possibility is invalid. So that one doesn't fall. Hope you got it. Thanks for watching.